A good day from Goa again, and today I am in Fontana, and I had come to see here because I had seen online that they are closed. It's like this. So if you come to Panjim and you are visiting Fontana, then this is it. Now I will take you to the Fontana, and the name is this. So it's closed actually, and so we are going towards right to see what we are getting today to eat some snacks. Good morning, Dejna. So this is Panjim. We have to cross the Pato Bridge, and this is the supermarket. So it is like from this supermarket you have to go to this lane. That's the global to local. So where you get, it's a Goan supermarket. So you will get all the Goan. So here we are walking. Sorry, the connection went in between. So this is all. Let's cross now. That's all. So this is all like Fontana's area, where you will see the different colors of houses, like how it is in Portugal. I wanted to eat in that cafe some snacks and coffee maybe, because I had seen it in one place. Then here there is a curry and rice. Then here there is some family restaurant also. It's a beautiful place actually, and it's a tourist, a lot of Indian tourists I can see. So then there is a Desview European Fusion Fine Dining also. It's like Amma La Mansion. If you can see this, Desview European Fusion Fine Dining, and that's like Amma Fusion. You can stay there. Hi Jane. Alfonso Guest House is that side. It's like a beautiful colony. So if you are coming from Kandulim or Kalangu, then you will have to come to Panjim, and then you will have to cross the Pato Bridge to come to this colony, Fontana. So this is this way. So now we are taking you back on the main because there are many lanes where it comes out. Hi Helen. Let's call Alfonso Guest House. That is this one. Now we will take right from here, and that's the main road. And here comes this is the famous La Maison. You can see different colors like how it is in Portugal. It's like that type of colony. Then there is Panjim Inn, the Veranda restaurant over here. So this is the Panjim Inn, Veranda restaurant. See? Yeah. So now I'm going to another cafe shop which I had seen while I was walking. I don't want to eat rice or anything today. So here you can see, and I will take you to the entrance of this also. So this is how it is. So huh? After this, first we'll show them that cafe. See that? Tinggal saya. Joy, Carol, Sheila. I know many of you must have visited here earlier. So this is like the entire area, and I've shown you the restaurants also, and I will show you one small cafe. It was here, no? Like if you don't want to eat heavy food and you just want to have snacks, then the first one which I showed you, and you can, this is Anita Tea House, and then this is called Bombay Coffee Roaster. Want to try it? So yeah.
The one which we have ordered.